Hello children, in today's session we'll be discussing on object pronoun. What is object pronoun? An object pronoun is a pronoun that receives the action. Children, object pronouns receives an action. See the example. He looks at me. As we know that he is the subject pronoun. As we have already discussed subject pronoun, so he is doing the action, he is performing the action. He is doer here. Alright, who does something. And looks. Look is verb. It is action verb. And here me word receiving the action. Here me is receiving the action and that is object pronoun. Object pronoun receives the action. Alright. So he is doing the action and action is being done on me. Alright. So object pronoun receives the action. And always remember that subject pronoun comes before the verb and object pronoun comes after the verb. Alright. See, these are object pronouns. Me, you, him, us, it, them and her. All these are object pronouns. Subject pronouns and object pronouns. See children. When I is the subject pronoun as we know, and when it comes to object pronoun, I becomes me, she becomes her, he becomes him, it. In both the cases, like in subject pronoun and object pronoun, it will be same. We will be changed into us, you and you will be same in subject and object, and they will be converted into them when it comes to object pronouns. Alright. Look at these pictures. Ranveer gave a chocolate to Manish. Alright. This is Ranveer and this is Manish. So Ranveer gave a chocolate. Children, here Ranveer is a subject. Right, subject noun. He is doing something. He is giving something. And Manish is receiver. Right. He is receiving something. So he is the object. Right. Manish is the object noun and Ranveer is the subject noun. Because he is doing something and he is receiving something. So how can we shorten it using pronoun? As children, we know this when we talk about ourselves, like when a person referring to himself or herself, they never use a name, right? So a person never use a name. So which pronoun we will use over here? I gave a chocolate to Manish. All right. I gave a chocolate to Manish. Here I is the subject pronoun. So I pronoun will be used. In the next case, Manish gave a chocolate to Ranveer. So who is Manish? This is Manish and this is Ranveer. Now it's quite opposite. Manish gave a chocolate to Ranveer. So here Manish is a subject pronoun. Okay. Manish is giving, he is doing. So he is subject. Now who is object? Ranveer is object. So will it be I? Do you think? No. So which pronoun will be used over here? Manish gave a chocolate to me. Alright. So here me is object pronoun. So when a person speaking is the object, then and he is referring to himself or herself, then pronoun me will be used. Alright. So that's why I becomes me when it comes to object pronoun. Let's talk about singular object pronouns and plural object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it. These are singular object pronouns. And for plurals, us, you, them. We use these object pronouns. Alright. So let's see some sentences. I don't understand this. Children, I is subject pronoun. Can you help me? In the next sentence, me is object pronoun. Then, we love Miss Jonas. Here, we is subject pronoun. She teaches us many interesting things. Us is object pronoun. Let's talk about plural second person. You are good dancers. So here, you is the subject pronoun. Then the next sentence, Ritu is watching you. Here you is the object pronoun. Children, when you comes after the verb, so it is object pronoun, right? Now the next sentence, Golu is playing with the ball. Here we are talking about a singular third person, right? So he is playing with the ball. As Golu is written, so which pronoun we will use? For Golu, he. So he is playing with the ball. He is subject pronoun, and it, as for things we use it. So here it is object pronoun. In the next sentence, Daniel is painting. His mother is helping him. Here him is object pronoun. Miss Jonas is very nice. All the children like her. Here her is object pronoun. She knows the answer. She knows it. Here it is object pronoun. This is plural third person. They were dancing. Here they is the subject pronoun as they are performing the action. And Ritu joined them. Here them is object pronoun. They becomes them when it comes to object pronoun. Alright. So this is the chart of singular and plural. See, first person, second person, third person, as we have already discussed these things. See, in the first person we use I, pronoun I for singular subject pronoun, and I becomes me when it comes to object pronoun, right? And we use for plural subject pronoun we use pronoun we, and we becomes us when it comes to object pronoun. You remains same, right? Okay, so you will be same, and in the case of third person, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it when we are talking about one person. Okay, and when we are talking about one thing, and they becomes them. All right, when we are talking about more than one person, or you can say the animals and things, they becomes them. After that, you have to do practice of object pronoun in your grammar book. All right, page number 42 and 43, you have to complete it. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.